In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert micro SD card in laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is inspect the left and right sides of your laptop frame and look for a tiny horizontal slit labeled micro SD or TF. And if your laptop has a wider slot labeled SD, then you're going to need to slide your tiny micro SD card into a standard SD card adapter casing first. Hold the micro SD card with the printed label facing upward towards the sky and the gold metallic contact pins facing downwards towards your desk. And on some ultra thin laptops or specific flip motherboards, the card has to go in upside down with the label facing down. And if it doesn't slide in smoothly, don't force it. Flip it over and try again. Push the card straight into the slot, and most laptops use a spring-loaded locking mechanism. Press the card in until you feel a soft click, and then once you feel that soft click, that's how you know it's going to be in. Now, what you could also do is use a USB adapter if you want to. So you would plug in your SD card into your USB adapter, and then you'd plus the USB adapter into your PC or laptop, and then your SD card would show up. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.